So the first thing that you'll notice here is that the interface is quite a bit different, but it's still going to do the same basic kinds of things. Notice that instead of just having a brushes where you select the different kinds of brushes, you can see immediately the kinds of brushes that you're using, and they don't have a separation of that pencil tool from the rest of the brushes. But you just have your tools sitting right here, and you select them, and you start drawing or painting based upon the tool that you've selected. And the thickness is a slider over here, and you can make that adjustment. You can also adjust the opacity right here using the slider or entering in the box. And of course you can see we can select the colors down to the bottom. Now to zoom and pan, we see that you have the standard scroll bars for panning around, and you can zoom in by doing that slider, so that's how they do things. But in addition, one thing that's very nice in Paint 3D that I wish other programs had is I can click on this little ellipsis here, and it says View More Options, and you see this Show Interaction Controls. Now we start to see some things that are a little bit different in more of the advanced programs, and you can see that I can pan with the mouse by pressing Alt and left clicking, or I can also pan by using the middle mouse wheel, and I can zoom in by using the middle mouse wheel. If I'm using the pen, I can do Alt and click and drag, and these are the kinds of things that are going to be more common in the advanced programs. And to clear the screen, we do the same kind of thing that we did in Paint, where we select, just drag over, and then press Delete. Not really the best way to clear things, but that's the way it's done here. I'm not going to go into the 3D kinds of things, but those are pretty fun. So if you've got Windows, you should give this one a try.